Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers here. And to my sweet mother, thanks for giving me the best thing in life, your love, your care, and your cooking skills. Mommy, I miss you. There's a type of fish that I'm going to use today, and you can use any fish of your choice. I have ginger, black pepper, salt, and then onion, garlic, and then the red chili. All are powdered. I have the raw shrimp that I have washed. There's a type of fish that I'm using. I have my bread and egg. Sharing with you how to make your own breadcrumbs at home. It's so easy to make it at home. You can blend this in the blender, or you can toast them or bake them before you can blend it. Hello sweet mom, everything around here tells you that I've mixed you. This is one of my mom's favorite clothes, and I decided to lay the piece that I have here to tell her I've mixed it. I'm done blending the bread, and it is almost done. Keep stirring so that you don't get it bent. This is the color that I'm going for, light golden brown. This is another method that you can also do it. You can also bake it in your oven. And with the shrimp, I'm adding a pinch of all the spices. Then the process begins.
Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do.
And beat your eggs with spoon or fork until all is combined, and I'll add a pinch of all the spice in it.
And now you're gone.
Whilst beating the eggs, I saw that the two will not be enough, so I added one. Then I poured some white thing in the egg. Then I took it out.
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
There's the first one that we blend before going to cook it in the frying pan, and I'll going to blend it one more time. And there's the second one, is dry, and I'm going to blend this one. Look at how smooth it is. If I'm making breadcrumbs, this is what I'll be going for. Then I'll mix everything together. Then we cut the fish into two or into smaller pieces. Then we can roll in a size that we can roll the shrimp on. A easy cry, a simple meal starter for your everyday occasion. And then to our mothers can have this as a meal starter before we give them the day and we meal. Just say a koyi a dankasa. They say a high Happy Mother's Day to you all, to all the mothers, and to all the mothers, and may the good Lord bless anyone who is also seeking for a child. May the good Lord bless the womb for anyone seeking for a child. Thank you all for the support, and if today is your first time watching my channel, this is Home Sweet Food. I do post new video every week, but this week was a special day, so enjoy all the videos I have posted. So this is the way or the method that we're gonna do this special meal starter. So just put one of the shrimp on the fish that you cut, and then roll it, then just spin it with that toothpick, and just dip inside the egg mixture. Then make sure it is covered totally. Then cover each side with the breadcrumbs. And then that is all. That is all. Thank you all and keep on watching. Love you all.
Getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with
You keep on repeating what you did with the first one. You take one of the fish that you cut, then put one of the shrimp, and then roll it, and then pin in with your toothpick.
on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you.
So I'm done rolling the shrimp on the fish and then pinning in with the toothpick in. So I have some of the shrimp left, and there's another method that I'm going to do with the shrimp. Yeah, so I'm just going to put this shrimp on the toothpick and then dip inside the egg mixture and then rub it with the breadcrumbs, and then you fry this out.
Jet planes in the night sky with you. Getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine. 'Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you.
I have my oil on medium heat, and I just added some onion to check if the oil is ready, but it's not. Adding the onions too is optional, but it adds more flavor when the fish is done.
Says you were mine.
So adding a minimal amount, don't stir in, just leave it and then let it fry for 5 minutes, and then check if you like the color, then you can take it out, because this doesn't take long frying in the oil. So I did fry this one for 5 minutes, and then the rest I had it for 8 minutes, depending on the color that you're going for. It doesn't take long to cook in the oil. Thank you all and keep on watching. Love you all for all the support.
I wish that I could build a time machine. 'Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
nyinaa yɛsi nea oyi wɔ no ayɛ a ɔntafrɛ ne nsa kwa. So you all can have a taste and then leave me a comment down below and let me know how it is. Thank you all for watching. You can all have one, the golden one or the light golden. The shrimp too is there. Thank you all. Thank you all. God bless you. And don't forget to spread this love to all mothers and then to anyone that you know. Please stay safe too. I come your way with another video. Bye-bye.
Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you.